knowing the customers, being with them. What better, what more difficult item to sell to people than a revolution? To sell to people, to ask them to stake their lives for something as undescribed, as something that is not so tangible as freedom, as human rights, as self-determination and all these things. So, but we were a band of brothers then, and we knew that, deep in our hearts, we knew that what we were fighting for was correct. And we all started before the Ninoy assassination, 83, when everything went haywire, and everyone started to be part of the protest movement. But way back in 78, we knew how it was to be a minuscule team, a minuscule group that was fighting for something that people don't understand, or people you thought the people didn't even care for. We would have lightning rallies a lightning rally, for those of you who are young enough not to remember even EDSA. A lightning rally is when you would have there would be about 15 to 20 of you, there in the intersection, waiting for the traffic light to turn red. And then you will go there in the intersection, unfurl the banner, and then in 2 minutes, you have to run. Because after 2 minutes, then the police will be there with their wang-wang, and trying to go after you. We knew how it was not to be listened to. We would go on buses sometimes and we would tell people, this is it, this is that, and this is it. And people would turn, we just don't want to listen to you.